All right, let's go ahead and take a look at your drought monitor. That was updated earlier today, and as you can see, a little bit of an increase as far as, or a little bit of good news as we look farther out towards Milam County. Still seeing dry conditions, which technically isn't considered drought. It's just considered the precursor to drought. But unfortunately, we still have exceptional conditions for Gillespie County, Blanco County, and then portions of Llano, Burnett, Travis, Hayes, and then extreme conditions essentially all around that. So yay and boo at the same time. We got a decent amount of rainfall to help us out as far as the eastern counties, but we need more rainfall, at least within the hill country moving into the metro, because we're obviously not getting any type of improvement there. We do have a decent amount of rainfall chances over the weekend, so that's good news. I'll get to that in just a moment. Sunny skies right now across central Texas. A few clouds out there. I'll zoom out a bit more. There are actually some severe thunderstorms popping up out towards Oklahoma, but as far as the state of Texas, everything's calm for now. High temperatures over the next few days will remain at around 97 to 98 degrees, but a drop on Monday as we have a front that'll come in and will definitely help out. So let's play this all out. We'll start off with today. We do have a chance of seeing a few showers, maybe a couple of heavy pockets of heavy showers and some thunderstorms. I don't expect anything to be severe. Most of it will remain within just the general thunderstorm category. As we get out towards Friday, things will calm down, and I don't expect any rainfall at all for Friday or for Saturday. So as we look at your threats for today, yeah, they're not that bad. If we get anything, it'll be hail, mostly farther out towards Mason and Llano. And then as we look at winds, 58 mile per hour plus. But again, those are low chances. That's what I mean by not that bad. I mean that we're within that low category if we see any of these threats whatsoever. Again, I just expect most of it to just be thunderstorms, but at least you have the knowledge that something could develop into something just a tad stronger. Now, I want to jump out towards Sunday. I talked about today and tomorrow and Saturday. As we get into Sunday, into the evening hours into Monday, we get that chance of showers, maybe a few thunderstorms. That rolls into Tuesday as well after the front comes in. And we do expect for this unsettled weather pattern to continue at least through Tuesday, into Wednesday, and into Thursday, where we could see a few thunderstorms out there. The next 7 days do show at least 1 to 2 inches of rainfall from San Saba and Lampasas, with everyone else at around 1/4 of an inch to about 1 inch of rainfall. So don't put away the umbrella just yet. You're going to need it. As we look at your 7-day forecast, 97 to 98 degrees. The front comes in on Monday early in the morning, and that'll drive our temperatures down to 84 degrees on Tuesday and 85 by Wednesday, with rain chances continuing the rest of the week. Tommy?
All right, thank you so much, Freddie. We know that hurricane season for the Atlantic Basin is coming in the next few days. I want to talk about the Saffir-Simpson hurricane scale, which we look at for sustained wind speeds, category 1 through 5, 1 being the most minimal of hurricane wind speeds and 5 being, of course, the most catastrophic. One of the reasons why we use a category 1 through 5 is to better streamline the overall communication when we're warning these storms to the general public. I want to show a coastal house you can see down here, how that looks with different sorts of categories. 1 with damage being minimal, wind 74 to 95. Watch what happens. Moderate, a little more water gets pushed onto the shore. You see the trees bending there, some shingles. Watch what happens when the water rises up to a 3, even into a 4 or 5. Not really a big issue for central Texas here, but friends and family on the coastline, especially on the Gulf in Texas, they need to be on standby. And speaking of summer, we know hurricane season starts June 1st. In terms of heat here locally, you can catch the first warning weather summer outlook on KXAM tonight. That's at 6. Will?